Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about the tools, which is Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to navigate Visual Studio Code. And Visual Studio Code is a text editor. Text editors are where you write your code and run them. And there are various types of text editors. There's Sublime Text, there's Notepad, so you can just go with your favorite one. But for me, I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code. That's my favorite. So if you want this too, you can download it. So this is a text editor we're going to be using. All you need to do is just go into your browser. For me, I'm using Chrome. So I'll put the link below. This is just Visual Studio Code. So you can see, you can download it for if you're using Windows or Linux or MacBook. It's all available. You just click on the download and set it up. Do the configuration, just click on next, everything, and that's all. We're good to go. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to navigate Visual Studio Code, and it's advisable that whenever you want to start a project, you should make a folder for it. You should have specific folders for all of your projects. It would make your work much more easier and arranged, organized. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to navigate Vscode. Hey guys, so when you first of all launch your Vscode, this welcome interface is the first thing you're supposed to see. And one of the first things we're supposed to do is create a new folder for this project. And it's advisable that you create folders for each of your projects, so as when you're working on a bigger platform, you'll be able to locate your folders quickly. So I'm just going to name this one testing. And then we go back to our Vscode, and then you can click here to create a new file, open a file, or create a new folder. And the short key for that, or you can use this other option, or the short key for that is Ctrl K, Ctrl O, and then we go to we locate the file. Yeah, so as you can see, that's the file, it's opened, so we don't need this page. And then over here is where you can find all your installed extensions. So this, I'm just going to show you guys live preview. You guys need this one. It will enable you be able to preview your site on Vscode. And the other one, this will let you be able to view your site on browsers, either your Microsoft Edge or your Chrome. So we just close this and you come to this place. This enables you, this is the folder. This will make you able to create a new file. And then this is to create a new folder. This is to refresh it, and then this is to collapse it when you have everything. Then to create a new file, you just click on that part and you name the file. That's index.html. So this is it, and then we create another for your style sheet, and you call it style.css. And then you close it. And so to get a boiler template, you can just click on Shift number 1 and it will create the boiler template for you. So this is it. And then rename this H1. I'm just going to say hi, welcome to my page. And if you've installed all those extensions I showed you, you'll be able to have a preview from your Vscode here. So you can see it, hi, welcome to my page. It shows. An alternative way to do that is just to go up and click on run. And you see start debugging and start without debugging. Just click on start without debugging. You can see the shortcode there too. And you can also use this place, run and debug. Or you can use F5, Ctrl F5. And then this is my Chrome, this is the results. Yeah, so I'll just collapse all these things. And if you want to change the name of your website, you can just come to this title and just give it a new name. I'm just going to say this is my first web page. So it's going to reflect when people search your website. So when you reload it, you're going to see there that's what is showing. That's the heading of your website. Okay, so then let me talk about how many types of we have 6 types of H. Like that's the heading: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So I'm just going to write them. And then depending on the one you use, that's how the bigness is going to reduce. H1 is mostly used for headings, H2 titles, H3 subtitles, and that's how they go on and on. Alright, so I guess this is the end of it. See you guys next time. Peace out. So in the next video, we're going to be talking about HTML format and tags. And you don't want to miss this, because this is where it gets interesting and you start your coding journey. So see you guys there.